Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 65 Pontiac GTO and this is by Hotwheels from their Ultra Hot series. So I bought this for $299, which is MRP, not a rupee more. And let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So I'm really disappointed on this casting on one end because I was hoping that Pontiac would be a full metal casting, but it's not. So yeah, there is that. And the funny part is, so they are mentioning here hottest metal cars in the world, but it is not even full metal. I mean, maybe it used to be in the back in the days, but not now. Okay, so let's talk about this casting. Okay, so out of the box, it looks really beautiful. The paint job looks really nice, and the livery looks really good. And you can see the headlight detailing here. It is okay. It is not really that good. I mean, this car is a really beautiful car, and they didn't do justice to this car, if you ask me. So it has taillight details a little, you can see that a little bit here. So the body is fully metal and the chassis is fully plastic. The chassis has actually good detailing to it, which is really nice. But again, I was really hoping that this would be having a metal chassis, but no. So actually they gave a metal chassis but Toyota Starlet, but not this one. So it is really a lightweight casting. It has interior detail to it. I don't know what it is. It is some kind of Easter egg, or it is just the AC vent. It does have interior detailing to it, which is really nice. Okay, so let's weigh this casting. Okay, 31 grams. It's very light. Okay, let's see if rolls at least okay on the track. Okay, it actually rolls okay. Now maybe not good. Okay, it reaches the end of the track. That is really nice. At least I'm happy about that part. So, but I really, man, I don't know. I'm just saying this over and over again, but I was, when I saw this car, because my friend bought this for me. When I saw this over picture, I immediately thought this is going to be a full metal car, and I really can't you know get away from the disappointment. But at least the chassis detailing looks really nice. So the wheels are actually plastic, if you guys are wondering. So with that said, that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.